My name is María Luisa Velez. Jardín de Memorias, Garden of Memories is my final work here in Yurupary Academy. Well, my main reference is the first thermodynamic law, which says that energy doesn't destroy itself but changes into some other kind of energy. So I said that loving feelings don't disappear, but they transform themselves into some other kind of feelings, which are anger, apathy, or friendship, etc. So I worked it out. I took my boyfriend's ex-girlfriends, and then I became an ex-girlfriend myself, and my ex-boyfriends too, and I took a picture of myself, a portrait, and I sent them to them, and I told them to take a picture of inside of that context, whatever they wanted to. And for the girls, the same thing. I took a picture of him, a portrait, and I sent it to them, so they had to take a picture of themselves inside of their work, at their office, at their place of study, whatever, and then send it back to me. Also, I asked them to write them a letter where they explain the process of transformation, how that relationship transformed itself, how did it study, the best things that happened, what happened at the end, what did they broke up, and what happens now, if they are friends, or what is happening now. The last thing I said to construct this metaphor was taking these pictures, which are a mix of present and the past, and take them inside of a plant, because the picture will become itself like a feeding material substance that will feed the plant, or in this case, medical herb. Why medical herb? Because when you are in this process transforming yourself, when you broke up with a person and you are feeling these illnesses because of this transformation time, sometimes you have stomachache or headaches, or you just don't feel that healthy. So these plants, these medical herbs, can help you in that process. I chose the water because I wanted a substance where you can see through it. You can see through the picture, which is printed on this transparency, and you can see the roots through it, and it's really interesting. The impact, the visual impact is really nice. And I took the boxes because, well, it happens to me that when I end up a relationship, I keep all the letters, the pictures, details, little presents. I keep them into boxes. So I designed a special box for each one of these stories, and they have little phrases that I took out from the letters that these persons wrote down about their relationships. Finally, I thought it was necessary for people, when they saw the whole work, if they wanted to understand completely what I wanted to say about, I designed this little book so I can, where I put all the pictures, all the choices they sent to me, and the letters, and the process of the work, how I cleaned up the roots from the plants, and the whole explanation of the metaphor.